Okay, the first thing I would do is clear the fraction, and by doing that, I'm going to multiply both sides by the root of 4x squared minus 7. So you get 2x times the root of 4x squared minus 7 plus 4x squared minus 7 equals 21. Now, by the way, by multiplying that, you could introduce error, but let's not worry about that until we check it. The next thing I would do is probably try to isolate the radical. And that's going to be equal to 28 minus 4x squared. And just to make life easier, I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and I get this over here. Now I'm going to square both sides. You get x squared, 4x squared minus 7. 14 squared is 196. Then you're going to get minus 56 x squared plus 4x to the 4th power. Going to continue to simplify. You're going to get 4x to the 4th minus 7x squared equals 196 minus 56x squared plus 4x4. Well, I'm going to rearrange it, try to use a zero product rule if I can. And I notice that the 4x4s disappear if I subtract from both sides. And you're going to get 196. Let's see, minus, looks like 49. All right, I'm looking at that, and it looks like both sides are divisible by 49. And what are you going to get? 0 equals 49 goes into 196 4 times. That's, let's see, 160 and 196 minus x squared. So now I get something pretty simple. And I know just by looking at it, without going to a quadratic formula, that x equals plus or minus 2. Now, before I commit to that answer, I want to point out, for the students who want to write in standard form, this would be x squared minus 4 equals 0, and the a would be 1. We like the coefficient on the square term to be a positive number. B is 0, and the c is minus 4. And again, if you use quadratic form, you're still going to get the same answer, plus or minus 2. The problem is I want to check it, all right? And it seems like a problem for a lot of students. They don't want to check things, and I'm going to check them. They're easy to check, by the way. I'm going to check 2 first. And if I try 2, what would I get? I would get 4 plus, well, let's see, that would be what? 2 squared is 4. 16 minus 7 is 9. That's pretty simple. 21 over root 9. What do you get there? 7 equals 7. So this works. Let's try minus 2. All right, what do you get there? Well, you get minus 4 plus root 9 equals 21 over root 9. And that gives you minus 4 plus 3, which equals to 21 divided by 7. This is not true. All right, this gets crossed off. All right, the only answer is x equals 2. Let's look at the k. And again, I want to point out in the k, you know, we got our quadratic. It's written over here or over here. Either one's fine. A is 1, B is 0, C is minus 4. And I went on to say that, let me get my eraser out, get rid of this garbage work over here. I went on to say that only 2 is a solution to the problem. How did I know that? By checking. Thank you.